This updated, move-in ready home is ideally located in a fantastic Sherwood neighborhood. You'll enjoy a rare combination of convenience and privacy in this highly sought-after area, backing directly to Ridges Elementary and close to a nearby neighborhood park. From the covered front porch, head inside and discover an inviting and flexible layout with a gas fireplace and beautiful built-ins framing the main living area. At the center of it all is the updated kitchen with an elegant island, abundant workspace, and tons of natural light. French doors open to the main level office, providing a perfect work-from-home setup. Head outside to a private backyard with a custom paver patio, ready for relaxing evenings. Upstairs, you'll find a versatile loft space to fit your lifestyle. Double doors open to the vaulted primary bedroom suite with a large walk-in closet and a well-appointed full bath. You'll find 4 bedrooms on this level with the option for a bonus room, plus another full bath and brand new carpet. Thoughtful updates have already been completed, including the roof, HVAC system, and new exterior paint. Pre-inspected with repairs completed, this is a home that offers both comfort and confidence. In a location that keeps you close to everything that matters, this Sherwood home is ready for what's next. Please contact Chris Olson with Premier Property Group for more information or your personal tour.